Today we are looking at a home in North Lakes where Fronius Solar have installed 26 LG Neon 2 330-watt modules and a Fronius Symo Inverter. The customer reached out to Fronius hoping to upgrade his existing system with new quality components. The customer required their home to be battery ready and the system installed is Powerwall 2 compatible, ready for future installation. Since the customer has a Fronius smart meter installed, we are able to monitor production and consumption through the Fronius solar.web monitoring platform anywhere in the world. With a total system capacity of 8.5 kilowatts, this home on average is 45% self-sufficient, but at its peak has been at 71%. During peak solar energy production, the customer is consuming on average 30 to 40% of electricity, with the rest being sold back to the grid. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Hey, you can't have bloopers every video.
I got nothing to upload.